Say Ousted Sudanese leader Omar al-Bashir will appear in court next week to face charges of corruption and possessing of foreign currency. Last month, the public prosecutor also charged al-Bashir with incitement and involvement in the killing of protesters. The announcement comes a few days after the country's military and civilian councils announced they would resume their peace talks.
The announcement came more than 2 months after the military overthrew Bashir on April 11th, following months of nationwide protests against his 30-year iron-fisted rule. On Thursday, an unnamed Sudanese official was quoted by the official Sudan news agency as saying Bashir was facing charges including possessing foreign funds, acquiring suspected and illegal wealth, and ordering the state of emergency. In April, Sudan's army ruler, General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan, said that more than $113 million worth of cash in 3 currencies had been seized from Bashir's residence. Bashir swept to power in a coup in 1989. The country suffered high rates of corruption during his rule, ranking 172 out of 180 countries in Transparency International's 2018 Corruption Perceptions Index. His prosecution takes place as the country's military and civilian councils are trying to find one another to continue their peace talks. Ethiopian Special Envoy to Sudan, Mahmoud Dir, told reporters in Khartoum on Wednesday that the 2 sides had now agreed to continue their talks. This after Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed Ali met the 2 sides. The talks broke down after dozens of protesters were killed in a crackdown on a sit-in on June the 3rd. Since then, much of the country has been shut down after the opposition called for an open-ended strike. Doctors say 118 people have died in the recent outbreak of violence, while officials say there were fewer fatalities, putting the number at 61. Soldiers have patrolled the streets of Sudan since then, while most businesses have remained closed.